Last year never gone well. New year I'm still can't tell. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. So we actually leaving today. We're driving back to Fort Lauderdale today. But before we go back, we probably stop at 1 and 2 places, you know? Sightseeing, do shit with tourists that I normally do. I want to tag along with me. Remember, go watch the previous vlog. If you just watch that one, yeah. I remember watch a short film, Revenge. My girlfriend right there, high five. We had fun, right?
Yes.
We're on our way to go back. We got a little bit drunk last night. I can't say what happened. But we got turned. As you can see in my eye. I'm not really well rested yet. But we wake up early and just bed. And I put on our clothes, I pack up the truck so we left back. You see me? And then we forward back to, you know. Probably make some tea before we show. It's cold here. I don't know, it feel like New York weather. Me say New York our negative 5 degrees. Jesus Christ. Like that's why I move, you know. I can't do this. So vlogger, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we officially pack up his truck and we're about to leave right now. You see me? We're gonna do a little bit of sightseeing as I said before. And yo, my face looks smooth and cool, man, nah lie. Oh God. But as me that say, we're gonna do some little sightseeing and then head power way for go back Fort Lauderdale. Sun in my eye right now. But mad up on yourself and go and do it for the vlog. So guys, right now we're there one little market. Like I think. We just a walk around and a look. So far away. So we just stop right here, so I see them look at dope souvenir boxes. What are these called?
They're called puzzle boxes.
Puzzle boxes. We're getting one for Souvenir to carry back home. Which one are you getting? Mermaid?
Yeah, I think so.
So we're gonna get that one.
Yeah, you see, that has a bigger, that's a smaller opening. And this is smaller still.
Okay.
So.
So vlog girl, we just reached back in IKEA. We are watching some old time play, but we just reached back in IKEA from half of the shopping thing. And we actually get this. We actually get a little souvenir here. You know, it's as she says, a puzzle box. I figure it out already. This is the first time I touch it. Watch out.
Don't do it on the camera.
Oh, I can't show it on the camera because I probably don't forget in there too. But it's bad. You see me? Sexy. She's sexy on the thing, you know.
You better stop.
What's her name? We'll make a stop again. We'll go for breakfast because it's early right now. We're not think nothing open yet. But we stop to get breakfast at this breakfast spot. It named Up for Breakfast.
Are you gonna be in a movie?
Huh?
Are you gonna be in a movie?
I don't know. You want to be in a movie?
No.
Okay. So I guess here is a nice spot. We're gonna check it out. Hello.
Our omelets are really good. A lot of people really like this because you get a bunch of stuff. You get like two eggs and of your choice of anything. And it comes with home braised hash browns or grits.
And these are like meals.
These
right?
these are like meals. These are sandwiches. This is like a whole. Those are like eggs Benedict. The Florentine has spinach, and this has sausage gravy. This is burrito.
Let me try this.
The Southern Benny.
Yeah.
How do you want your eggs?
Well done. Scrambled.
Scrambled. Okay. And you want home braised hash browns or grits?
Hash brown.
Hash browns, okay. And for you?
Does this come with eggs?
Yes, these come with eggs.
Okay, can I have the 2 strips of bacon?
How do you want the eggs?
Yeah. With the silver dollars and...
The silver dollars are a $1.29 extra, is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, and do you want home braised hash browns or grits? Good. Alrighty.
That tastes good.
You tried it?
So, ladies and gentlemen, me no know what the fuck me order.
There you go. Y'all enjoyed it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I don't know what I ordered, but I'm gonna try and see what this tastes. I don't know what is this. Jesus. We're so forward back. Alright guys, so finish eat whenever you eat off everything. That's something that you're right, yeah, while I go. That's something I try, I never tried before. Phone I go drop. But me until I run out and not pay a bill. Afraid. How do it? Fuck them. I got the blicky. Oh, Trump country with there. Pure white people. I get this good though, it's salt, but yeah, salt or egg.
By accident.
Check green. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're at the park. What kind of park this again? Wiki Waki Park. This is like their Mermaid theme park. It's like some tourist attraction over here. We'll Google and find that place here. So, them have some little activities. You want to do this?
Yeah.
Who are going to do? We should have bring the stand. Damn.
Yeah. It's in the car.
Yeah.
They might not allow us to re-enter.
Oh yeah,
though.
we can't do it. So that would be cute though. I'm asking guys. Hey, quick question. Could you take a picture of us? Yeah. Yeah. You want to video it? Could you video it? Yeah.
A picture?
Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Alright, ready?
Ready?
Yep.
Thank you.
Alright, you good.
Have a good day.
Alright, you too. That's so nice of them. They took some picture for us. That's so nice of them.
Look, there's a black mermaid over there.
Let's go. We're going to do more sightseeing. So journey with us. So ladies and gentlemen, there's some peacocks. What me are we?
A whole bunch of them.
Them pretty though. What's our name? Wife? You see you don't belong there. Like my golden child. Crikey. We're in nature. So, them have some little animal. I don't know if you can see them on the trees. Frog. Frog that you know. See that? Frog right there, so. Look at it over here, so. Ninja turtle here, so. Look over here, so. One can snake. He look dead. See me?
It's breathing. It's moving.
Oh, you're not dead. One can snake. Nothing else. Oh no, I lied. Look here. There's one crocodile. Look how them bang up that crocodile.
Oh, it moved.
Yeah, it moved. Then just have that little crocodile there. Then cage up this well good man. They can't even go in. Me say. Poor crocodile. Me know you're bored.
Alligator.
Alligator. It's alligator? Alligator. American alligator.
It's like this one.
So far, girl, right now we reach on the boat. We're going to sightsee. Watch them big fish in the water. What a pretty as man. Them can't fry, you know. That's it, them can't fry.
The back of the boat where I'm sitting, which is the white thing behind me. On the ceiling above the boat, there are two black bags full of children's life jackets. In the unlikely event that we would need a life jacket, all we would do is calmly place them around their neck, bring the strap around our body, clip it, tighten it, then hold hands and walk ashore.
You know, I expect to see her. You know what I eat?
So with that being said, let's take a ride.
So vlog world, we just a forward our 5 boat. Me that expect more. Huh? Oh, me that expect more. It's not what I thought it would be. But it was fun. We go up the clear water and spring. We go up the spring and, you know, enjoy the liquor. That man you're dead. Why don't just lie down saying people in place? No man, something wrong. Something wrong, yeah man. Something wrong, yeah man. That man too comfortable. Something wrong, yeah man. And I trouble him. He's not supposed to just lie down say another park, yeah. He's dead.
So it'd flare up and hiss at us. That's a snake's way of saying back off. But at that point, we're scared, he's scared, nobody's having a fun time at all. And they're pretty beneficial to have around. Snakes are amazed about scaring our neighbors, mother-in-law, children, small frogs, lizard snakes, and rodents. Most of them probably being these snakes and rodents part, of course. Since those rats can spread a lot of nasty diseases to us without being in direct contact.
We just put gas in our car. And we are get ready to go back to Florida. We not Florida, but we are get ready to go back. We just do that little adventure, nature trail thing there. I mean, I get to catch everything because my phone dead. We go on a little animal show where they made a show different animal and I tell you about them. My phone got dead in the middle of that. So right now we stop for go get gas. Fully gas up. You see me? So the boat ready for show boat right now. And yeah, we'll go back up further. I wait for her, she can use the bathroom real quick. And when she go use the bathroom, she bring wipe, she bring she bring wipe, she bring soap, she bring whole heap of something. She don't really like use public places. Same with me, you can't shit a public. Right now if do the for me, God forbid, sorry for me, I say. Too much info. But if shit for reach, I hold it till me reach you up. Do it piss anyway. But for shit anyway, I can. You do already? You do. Okay, so vlog world. We're on our way back home. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we officially made it back home, safe and sound. I use the camera stand on our vlog. See there right this, I pull out our ear finally. I pull out our ear and the driver come here. All she do is sleep, eat, pull out her ear, and she's still not done. She have a couple ear left. But reach back home in our good time. It take me 5 hours exactly to reach back here. So we reach back in good time. I enjoyed that little trip, you know. Only part of little things to do, but I not vlog it. But from time to time, I feel like if we need a relationship, I have to do them little getaway there, you know. Some spontaneous type shit. I feel like that needed in a relationship, isn't it? All if nothing not go on, all if we not argue, we just normal. I feel like them things they feel. What's so funny?
Not arguing.
Huh?
Even when you're not arguing, you said?
Yeah.
You mean just for no reason?
Yeah, just carry out your partner. You like your mermaid? Where she get today? You see me? But, I'm not lie. Back to reality now. Back to the vlog them. Time to do some new content now. I try to turn up the thing for now. I try to get some microphone, wireless microphone too. Hopefully me get them. What else I tell you now? Now that I'm forward, I not lie. Tomorrow I try shoot something.
Back again.
Yeah, tomorrow I want to shoot something. Me just in the vibe for shoot content, bro. This is my job. So why not, you see me? So, probably tomorrow I try arrange something quick for shoot. And yes, I gotta take my time planning it out, make sure the sound is correct, make sure the lighting and everything is correct. I have some more light battery forward. Cause I not like them light battery then I last long. Then give me a good 40 minutes. I need some longer extension card too. And them thing there, you see me? Yeah man. As it go along, I go buy some bigger lights, you know? Like scenery lights and them thing there. But I not like, I like my little chip. I like my little chip. I like my little gift too. You see me? I'm showing them a little gift. Actually. Yeah, I was showing someone now go and ask me, Trabass, how do you buy that? I not tell you no man, just leave me with something. Sure. I don't know if you not see me, you probably cut me out of the frame, but this is my little camera stand. So now when I make my little Instagram video them, I just mad up the thing phone and I just go so bop I make the Instagram video. I know when I edit this I go turn. So make me turn it back. So yeah. That trip was fun, you had fun?
Got enough sleep.
You got enough sleep?
Yeah.
I'm tired.
I know because of the drive, but
Yeah, not just because I drive. I'm tired differently.
I'm gonna sleep soon.
Yeah, true. She's gonna do my face, guys. After she done pull out. Well, I don't know she have enough energy. After she done pull out her ear. She want to do my face. But from the driver forward, me just try to think about a whole heap of other content. Probably shoot something tomorrow. No lie. My camera, where's my camera? My baby in my bag. My computer, I'm ready for work again. This week, I try plan up with me and Ricky them for shoot part 2 for Revenge. I see something like the little quick thing. It's my action. So I try to keep them quick, you know. So yeah. I was glad to reach home now. You see me back to reality. And thing. My phone did off for them couple of days. I say if you don't reach out to me while I did out there. I just see that post from the girl. I never had to try to text or call but nobody. But I'm back to reality now. You see me? And it was fun. I don't know watch that, you see me? I see someone else for sure. Just go and stay tuned for that.
Me I try fi elevate. Me really want fi elevate up. Me I try fi elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.